What happened?
I don't know. It's not starting.
What happened?
I don't know. It's not starting. Not work. Something broke. Yeah. Today we want go to Hinatuan, and now it's not work. I put air in the tires, but not work Jeepik. I don't know, maybe it's battery.
Huh? They did something here like and block it.
Yeah, for nobody take it.
Oh, really? They can take battery.
Yeah. uh, I don't know. Maybe it's battery. I don't have here like tools for check it, and charger I don't have. Need everything by. Now have car. Yeah, because our дружок, he knew, and he worked like without problem. This very old. Yeah, I hope it's battery. So now I will try find person who can check maybe, and later I will already like after buy what we need. Yeah, I hope it's not so serious problem, not something like more problem, maybe battery only.
Yeah. So maybe I'm already very old because I remember such batteries for our television,
Yeah.
like black and white, like you put like something. Yeah. So we are planning to go today to the town. Most importantly, to take Pirat to the veterinarian because we wanted to take him yesterday, but it was Sunday, so they're closed. So I feel sorry him because his eye again like become like what is it, like big?
Yeah.
It was so swollen. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're thinking if we can't fix the car, we will just go in motorcycle. But we can take Valera.
Yeah, because we need take and gasoline and
Yeah.
make other business too in Hinatuan. Now I went to repair shop for motorcycles here in Dugmanon and borrow from master like this simple tool. Yeah, thank you very much. And this just, what is this?
Like a light
Lamp.
bulb.
Yeah, only this and one wire. Yeah, so we can now check our battery.
Okay.
Don't have even a little, so like it's a problem. Yeah, so now we know it's not work, not start because battery don't have not charged. I don't know. Is it battery bad, already old, or problem with something else? Maybe like wires. Why battery so like lost his energy? But I think need buy new battery. Now I will try go to Hinatuan and buy. Okay. Look.
This
Uh-huh.
the size.
Okay.
26.
This is the weight.
Yeah.
So this is
Uh-huh.
26.
26.
25 to 26, I guess.
Yes,
I
yes.
guess.
17 and 5, yeah.
Yeah, for
17
here.
and half. Like it's okay. Yeah. And tall like 20, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
20.
Okay. Yeah.
This is not made in the Philippines, but
Uh-huh.
this is
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. Battery, 4,500 peso. Yeah, and we need to buy our charger for battery. They can charge here, but always like take and put here. Delivery is very hard for us, so we will buy.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, heavy.
Heavy. Oy, lock it. Baka tumayab.
Not lock.
Maybe it's not broken, but maybe it's just need to be charged.
Maybe, yeah. You know, don't have charger.
Yeah.
But maybe it's old already. I don't know when. New one.
Kabit mo na.
Yeah, and here has problem. Now I see. It was like some cables, you see. What is it? Like broke already. And bad isolation. So here need change many things. But now I just like fix it with
Duct tape.
yes. Okay. This lock.
Ay, taka-Honda pa eh. Okay.
Okay. We will try.
We will try. I hope.
Already work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now gasoline.
Gasolina. Yay!
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. Valera already sitting with cat in the car, so we go to doctor. Uh-huh. we put full tank gasoline and canister because we need it for grass cutter, for other things. Yeah, so now we go to Hinatuan.
Kita niyo sa cut ng ganyan na yung ano.
Yung mata niya po.
Ganyan na.
Yung isa, yung ito. Yung ito, okay naman.
We tried put this cup.
Parang bumili sila ng eye drop.
Yeah, we tried wash it with tea, like
But nothing
tea.
happens.
Yeah, he made it because he was swim on the boat and he salty water from ocean, like clean. It was okay, but later again and again like better and the worst, and sometimes other eye too like start like became like worst. Yeah, sometimes he ate good, later bad. So and always this like this what is it like cry this like water go in nose and in eye, and we don't know what need to do, just stop, just it's already like what is it,
To lessen the swelling of
stop.
the eyes.
Yeah.
Nag-diarrhea po.
Wala naman. He's a good boy. So behave.
Doon ka bukas yun.
Not meow meow.
Nag-wait lang po tayo ng at least 10 minutes man to.
We have to wait for 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes for the result. Yeah, you're a good boy. So they did the test. It's this one. So he's positive with like all the, he has like viruses, and his like respiratory not very, it's like very weak. That's why he has this runny nose and like his eyes. And now they will give him like medicine, vitamins. So it's not recommended to like give him vaccine or like the worm now. So we will make him healthy first.
Yeah? They will make you healthy?
Nadala.
Mas dali ko na siya ito sa voice.
Oh, sorry. Wala. Sorry.
Sorry. Oh, Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, he bit me a little bit. Look, maliit. You have a small teeth. You have small teeth. It's okay. Kailangan. Okay, we will buy food for him. Tuna and this one.
О, это такое.
Okay.
Окей.
Да.
Ага.
Dog. 3,715 plus 150. Ikip na namin ninyo, ma'am. 3,865. Diri na yung Ma'am, dito na ako sa likod yung sa test mo na. Kasi
Все, полечились.
Все?
Let's park here, look.
Пойдем покушаем,
Yeah.
а то проголодались.
This is chicken inasal with rice, and we also have halo-halo. This is mango flavor. This is his first time trying halo-halo.
Yes.
А как? Вкусно?
Конечно.
Вкусно.
Окрошка. Десертная окрошка.
Приятно аппетитом.
Спасибо.
We came home and we look what we bought in this veterinary. What is this?
Vitamins,
Vitamins.
Papibayon,
Yeah.
and then this is these are vitamins too, and then this is antibiotic, and also this one. This is for the eyes. This is also for the eyes, and the electrolyte for energy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And couscous, tuna и mackerel.
Вон, наверное, вон.
А, вот это.
Very.
Ну-ка, еще проморгается еще разочек. Бідна дитина, господи. Мучают его уже, блин, месяц. Все, последний раз. Все, малыш, все.
О, молодец. О, молодец. О, молодец. Пират.
Тепер на мене спати не буде.
Молодец,
Скажи,
пират.
мучаешь.
Молодец.
Молодец. Пират молодец.
Так, теперь что у нас следующее? Вот это, да, будет?
Now Valera and his cat will go from our village, and we wish them like a good journey, and that they take care of each other.
Yeah.
For us, he is a random traveler who asks for help. We help him out of our capabilities. He is not our friend. But we have different life principles, priorities, and family values. So, we're going our separate ways. Belka! Belka! Oy, oy, oy! Asan ang mami mo kasi? Asan si mami kasi?
Rhea have new puppy.
Yeah.
Belka.
Name Belka, yeah.
Yeah.
It's Belka. Belka maliit.